first impressions. I'm definitely impressed with how clean it is back here. Being back here and walking everything, and it's pretty quiet. It's peaceful. I mean, listen, it's pretty nice actually. And with the lots how they got set up, a lot of preserve action, and you got some little pond action too here. But with this phase that they have right now, you got some pretty good options ahead of you. Cul-de-sac lots are nice because they always kind of pie out and give you more space, kind of like this between the houses, but also too no kind of driving through traffic or anything like that. A little bit more privacy and space back here, so if you got a family, young kids or anything, or prefer to be a little bit more private, the cul-de-sac lots are always a good go-to for stuff like that. It's still very quiet. I mean, I've been out here for a little over an hour or so, and I mean, I don't even hear people at all or any type of road noise or anything. And being this close to the beach and everything like that, it ain't bad.